Now I wanted to do a quick video on capturing deadlocks. So back in the day before 2008, and when we wanted to capture a deadlock, we had to use a profiler, we had to set up a trace, or we had to use a trace flag, a 1204 and a 1222, to get the data we were looking for. And let's be quite honest, the output of these sucked. Alright, so in 2008 and beyond, we have this idea of an extended event. And the good thing about 2012, they added a new feature called a system health check. And this is a default trace, kind of like the old black box, that runs under the hood that very few people seem to know about, that gives us insight into deadlocks that have occurred when we weren't looking for them. So oftentimes we don't set up, when we set up our boxes, to automatically pick up deadlocks. It's just we're not turning on traces, or we're not setting up these trace flags. So this gives us the ability to, when someone says, "Oh, we've had a deadlock occurred, and it was caustic and this or that happened. Can you tell us what happened?" Well, if you're in 2012 or beyond, this is 2014 I have painted here, then you can, and we can do that by extended events. So let's take a look at that. So this first window here is just a script I found somewhere. So I'd like to thank the author, whomever that was. So it gives us the ability to create a deadlock. So we get that started, and now let's simulate a deadlock. Hopefully, and there we go. We've got a deadlock. So let's come over here and stop that. And there's that. So now let's dig down and find our extended events. So we have that under management, extended events, sessions, and there is our system health check. And you can see he's green because he's turned on by default. And if we look at the default, let's take a look, we can see we have a XML report of a deadlock that occurred. So we click on that, and we can also click on the cell to get the actual code of the deadlock, and you can see this is just much easier to read. Alright, we can also get this information without having to go through all that. We can just drop a script here, and the script simply pulls out the XML deadlock report. And here it is, and it's the same output as the click method. And that gives us the ability to go back, and when someone requests a deadlock, or we want to see what happened in order to troubleshoot, we can go back and say, we found it. We've used extended events to look inside the ring buffer to find the deadlock, and this is a really cool feature of 2012 and beyond. So there you go, a quick video on using extended events to capture some deadlocks if you weren't preparing to capture them in the first place. Alright, thanks for watching.